Dear friends, today we are going to discuss an important subject. It is all about how to heal a relationship. I've been getting this question from various sources. In those sources are nothing but friendship, or husband and wife, or boyfriend or girlfriend. So there is a simple thing which I like to initiate right away. That is nothing but even a small conversation with will break a relationship or any kind of partnership. How? Because mind works in a way. Suppose two people to live together, the husband and wife, and they some reason the fight happens. Moment the fight happens, mind started giving all the negative thoughts. Thought number one, oh, yesterday also he did that, yesterday also she did that, and it goes on because you have been living with that person for a while. Because because of that only you are getting those thoughts. By end of 1 hour or 2 hour, it is kind of like a looping of thoughts and chain of thoughts coming, and the irritation will go on beyond. That means normal frequency, the mind operates in beta frequency, that is nothing but 14 to 40. But when we go more and more cycle of chain of thoughts, it goes sometimes gamma level is out of control, my dear friends. That means no matter what, you want to take an revenge, you want to hurt that person and make sure that you are satisfied after hurting the person. I tell you, one will not get satisfied by hurting others, rather they hurt by themselves. This is the truth, my dear friends. So one has to understand how this process works. Moment the irritation or fighting happens from between two people, one has to understand that mind will start giving all the negative thoughts. And that negative thoughts will impact more and more in the relationship. Sometimes they don't speak for an hour or few minutes or 1 day, 2 day. I see some people they don't even talk for weeks, months, even very few people years, because of one reason. This kind of mind played a game such a negatively. Of course, there are other reasons. I don't want to go about it. I'm talking about only in the context of healing a relationship. If you really want to heal your relationship, how? Very simple. One has to do body, mind, and proper food habit. That means one has to work on their body, mind, and the food habit. Body for yoga or meditation, and mind, it's again combo meditation. Because why I'm saying is yoga and meditation, when we do yoga, the proper yoga will become a meditation. So for body, if you do proper yoga, that will become a meditation and then food habit. So all three together, if happens, mind will go to subtle level. That is nothing but alpha frequency. That is nothing but 8 to 13. So 8 to 13 frequency, the brain wave loses the power of mind. That means the mind will loses the control. That is the situation. All this chain of thoughts which you have been building, the mind have built and projected to you about the opposite person, that will break. Moment that break only, the real situation will be revealed to you. Then there is a possibility to sort out that relationship, heal the relationship. To heal the relationship, only one thing we have to do: first to heal ourselves. I'll repeat, to heal the relationship, one has to heal himself or herself. Nothing can be done without doing that to begin with. So that's why I would suggest to do this kind of basic necessities or basic grounding activity in terms of working on body, mind, and emotion, and the proper food habit too. So this is the permanent solution. Temporary solution we all know. Okay, forget about it and let me work on it. Let me go and work on it. But have you noticed people again come back and again fighting, again come back, again fighting back, because they try to cut the chain temporarily and again it's coming back. I'm talking about the permanent solution to heal the relationship. The permanent solution is lying within you. You have to work on it. You have to go inside. You have to do IRM, that is nothing but inner relationship management. Then the outer relationship will flower automatically. If that doesn't happen, then it's very hard to again, it's like like fighting back and again try to work on it, it will happen. At least in a family, one person do this, then they will become a receiver. They won't react. They try to work with it. The other person also will, there is a chance the other person will try to understand and try to accommodate with the person. This is the only option for the permanent solution. So, my dear friends, to heal the relationship, please understand how your mind works. When any negative situation happens, mind will throw away hundreds of negative thoughts. Please understand, mind is the biggest politician within ourselves. So if we understand that, then we try to break that chain of thoughts and break that energy level. That is where the meditation yoga all comes into the place. What happens is, eventually, if you someone doing these processes, meditation yoga and proper food habit, then eventually after 48 days, then they will see this is something which is mind is playing, which is something all the past experiences. Mind is nothing but collection of thoughts. So all the thoughts are only playing around with me. Then instead of rather hanging on, rather catch hold of the emotion, we will start seeing, okay, this is a situation, okay, he behaved or she behaved like that. Then what am I supposed to do with that? That is the starting point to heal a relationship. So please understand, we have to really work on the raising the energy level and slowing the mental frequency. If these two happens for a person, then everything will be all right. So I will repeat, there is a temporary solution. Temporary solution is nothing but just break the chat. Okay, I'll work with the person. Let me move on and let me focus on. But the permanent solution is we have to heal our relation, heal ourselves, and then try to move on. Try to sort out the issue. Everything will be all right. Let's help each other to grow. Thank you all.